Well guys, it looks like we have a problem. And that is with the dryer. And I'll show you what it is. Back there, it's kind of hard to see, but right there, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can see it. The dryer venting has finally failed. It has cracked, and I don't know if you could see it right there, but right there, right there, it's not really gonna focus. There we go. Right there, it looks like the vent has a few burnt marks on it, and that's not good, because obviously how we found this out is we smelled a distinct smell, like it stinked, and we didn't know what it was for about 2 minutes or so until we found out that it was the dryer. And that smell we thought at first it was the stove, which it was not. It was the dryer venting, because you see, all of its air has let out through it. The dryer could not run since the duct is cracked. So I don't think we're going to be able to use it. The washer and everything like that works fine. There's nothing wrong with that. That's all there is. That's all that needs to be fixed. And I'll see what I can find here in order to quote-unquote fix that problem. You can just see it on the other end. All the brooms and stuff are in the way, but let me get them out of the way here. Whoops. Okay, there you go. Disconnect it. You can barely see it,